Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well and having a great day. Today's video is an exciting one. Today's video is in collaboration with my gorgeous friend Nicola, the NIckiTouch, right here on this YouTube platform. Nicola and I have paired together to bring you a fab collaboration, bringing you items of spa. We're going to give you a virtual spa treatment by making up some spa gift sets using items solely from both of our favourite store, which you've guessed it, Poundland, of course. Like I said, today's video is in collaboration with my gorgeous friend Nicola, right here on this YouTube platform. If you haven't come across Nikki's channel, NIckiTouch, you need to pop over there and let her know that I've sent you over. You know, she's amazing. She's such an amazing lady. In fact, it was actually Poundland that we both met. You know, I actually saw her and I kind of like, oh my God, oh my God. I was so amazed to see another YouTuber in my area. So we've kind of built up a friendship through there, to be fair with you. So it's so lovely to be able to do this collaboration with her. She does amazing crafts. She's got 3 gorgeous children and she's managing to sort of juggle the whole YouTube thing as well. So her crafts and her DIYs are absolutely amazing. This is why we're both collaborating today. So I'm now just going to light this candle. It's the currant and oak wood one, of course, from Poundland. Just going to light this one. I absolutely love the scent of this one. Just have it in the background here, just to create that extra spa feeling that I'm trying to achieve right here. So to get me in the mood, really, I would say. Yeah, so I've got this box. You can find this in Poundland in the stationery area. The only thing with these, they're not very sturdy. You know, it's one of those ones that comes flat pack and you have to make it up yourself. But what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to reinforce the base of this by using some cardboard, which I have already cut out in plan for this project. So let me just get that. Cut out a piece of cardboard, the right size to fit inside the box. If I put it in just like so, it doesn't really do anything, does it? No, it doesn't do anything. So what I thought I could do is actually wrap it with the wrapping paper that I just showed you, this one here, or use some of the tissue paper. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that yet, but I'll work it out. So I've got the wrapping paper just here. I'll just put the box on the side and I'm going to take the card. Now, I really was hoping that I could actually show you me cutting this out, but it's really just going to be me cutting out some wrapping paper and then wrap it around this card. So, well, I must say, this room that I'm in, my little office, is quite small, and I've lit that candle already and I can actually smell it. It smells absolutely gorgeous. Righty, so I've got the cardboard here and I've actually got the roll of paper. So I'm just gonna just cut some little snippets in the corner to make it a little bit easier. Use this double-sided roll tape thing that I got from Poundland as well in their stationery section. So I'm just gonna roll. You're just gonna fold it over like so. Okay, so that's the cardboard just been wrapped up there. Then I'm just gonna cut off these side bits. Okay, so this is now gonna become the base of the box to make it more sturdy. That's how it looks. Okay, so the exciting bit now is what I'm gonna actually be filling the box with. So for this box, I have this large candle to the one that I'm just burning behind me there. So this is the currant and oak wood, and it's their luxury candle range from Poundland. That's going to go in there. Also, I have this citrus herb fragrance mist. Now, I didn't actually realise that this fragrance mist can actually be sprayed on to the body or onto your clothes. I've always used it as a room spray, but it's actually versatile to do both. So that's going to go in there as well. Then I've also got one of these Love Heart bath bombs. Okay, then I've also got some of the citrus herb hand and body lotion, and also the citrus herb bath and shower gel. Face cloths. And I've got another candle. This one is the basil and lime one, and this is like the smaller one. This is like the I think this is the 6-ounce one, the smaller one that you can actually get in Poundland as well. But those are the items that I'm going to be working for this first box. I don't think I've missed anything out. There might be a few little extras that I put in there, but that will be towards the end. Okay, so let me get to it. Okay, so first off, I've got the candle, the large candle, which is the 10-ounce candle, the currant and oak wood one. Then I'm going to put in the hand cream and the shower gel, just together like that. Just to get the vibe right first, just to get the feel of it right. Then I've got these face cloths that I want to put in. I'm not sure whether to put in the grey one or the white one, but I might just go with the grey one actually for this. I know white is more sort of spa kind of feel, so actually I'm going to put in the white one. So what I'm going to do with the white one, I'm just going to take off this tape that it comes with, of course. Just unfold the flannel, not flannel, just unfold the face cloth. And then I'm going to rewrap it or refold it the other way just to get that kind of spa feel. And then I've already cut out some ribbon just here. So I'm going to just wrap the black ribbon around the face cloth like so. Not all the way. Cut it off. And then I'm going to use a bit of tape on there. And then just turn it around so you don't see the tape. Yep, that works. Like so. And then I'm going to take one of the bowls that I've taken off one of the candles and then pop it on there as well. Now, so I'm going to use my glue dots. Trusted glue dots from Poundland. These are absolutely brilliant. The only thing is, not on a dispenser or anything. But what I would normally do, I'll just press down on the area that I want to use it. And then the glue dot comes off like that. That looks really nice. Nice. I'm going to pop that in the box as well. It's looking so amazing, guys. I'll show you in a second. So next up, I'm going to put in the bath bomb. Now, I'm not going to do anything with the bath bomb other than just make it sit in the box like so. Yeah, so I'm going to now put in the green succulent plant there as well, just to give it some greenery. So that's how it's looking at the minute. I mean, I know everything is upside down, but it looks absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Okay, so what I've also got is some of these beauty packs. It's very minimalist, but very classy at the moment. So I thought I'd put this one in, which is an avocado nourishing sheet mask. Thought I'll put that in there. I've added an extra touch. So on my printer, I printed out this beautiful quote by Maya Angelou. And what it says, we delight in the beauty of the butterfly, but really admit the changes it has gone through to achieve that beauty. And that's Maya Angelou. So I thought I'll put that in. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to fold the sachet down like so. And then put it at the back of the quote like so, again using my glue dots. Okay, like so, and then just pop that into the box. Okay, so the person who's going to be receiving this spa gift set would open the box, would open it, and they will see, they'll be faced directly with this, which is such a beautiful quote by Maya Angelou. And then they will see that on the, hopefully they'll turn it around and then see the face pack on the back there as well. Okay, so I'm going to use the bar salt, which is also from Poundland. And I'm going to sort of jazz it up using the black ribbon, because this whole vibe has got like the black ribbon kind of vibe and the black bow kind of vibe. So I'm just going to take the bar salt now, and I've got a little bit of ribbon left from where I used from wrapping the face cloth. So I'm just going to add a little bit of tape to one end of it to make it easier to stick on. And then I'm literally just going to wrap it round like so. A little bit of tape again, and just put that round there like so. And you can see that. And then I'm just going to take one of my bowls again and add it using the glue dot. So I put a little glue dot in the front there and then just add the bowl. And I think this just looks more glamorous, doesn't it? So that's that. Pop it in there. And I must say, these glue dots are absolutely amazing. And the bowl is absolutely stunning in there. I love that. I love how this is looking. I'm actually going to swap out the faux succulent for a flower instead because of the rose petals. Now I don't know if this might be a bit much also. I'm going to see how it looks. I might not put any kind of flower in there at all. Just using my pliers to cut off the bits that I'm not going to be using. Yeah, it looks really nice actually. Okay, so this is the first spa gift set. It looks absolutely amazing. You know, absolutely amazing. There's something in there. There's something for every part of the body in there. So that's it there. Absolutely amazing. Beautiful. Okay, so the first one is done and it looks absolutely amazing. You know, I mean, I wouldn't mind receiving such a gift, you know, during this lockdown. You know, everyone sort of needs a bit of pampering. And this just goes to show that you can actually buy these items, and you can buy these items from Poundland and other budget stores to make yourself feel good, you know, give yourself that uplifting and that feel good factor really. So so yes, so now I'm going to show you the second spa box that I'm going to be making up. So the items that I'm going to be using, I've got this champagne, this rose champagne bubble bath, this gorgeous berry and magnolia candle, this gorgeous rose bath bomb, some hand cream, and then I've also got a few of these packs again that I might put in there as well. Some makeup items too. So these are makeup items that I've chosen. They're quite subtle, so it will suit anyone's, it will suit all skin tones as well. So I've got those. Okay, so for this one, I don't need to reinforce the box. The box is actually very sturdy. So what I'm going to do with it is just lace it with some tissue paper. Okay, so I've got this tissue paper and it's got like silver, it's got silver dots on it. It hasn't got rose gold dots like the box, but it actually does match the box in a way. So I'm going to use that quickly in the box like so. I'm going to pull it all together and then I will show you afterwards. I think that's probably going to be the easiest bit. So I've got the pink champagne bubble bath. Now this is absolutely amazing, guys. I picked this up during the Valentine's season when they had all these in Poundland, but it's absolutely gorgeous. I've actually used this myself. So I'm going to put that in there in the middle. I'm going to take the packaging off the candle, so I just find that without it, it looks a lot better without it. So I'm going to pop that in like that as well. Then I've got the bath bomb I'm going to just put on top of there. And then on the far side of the box, I don't know if you can see, on this side of the box I'm going to put in a couple of these packs. So I'm going to make this one be at the top because it's that pink colour and it goes really well with everything else that's in the box. So this one is a hair sheet mask, which also contains manuka oil, which is very good for the hair. Then I'm going to put in this vitamin E woven face mask. I'm going to put this foot peel pack in there as well. This one contains tea tree and peppermint oil. And then also a hand pack. Now, you know, throughout this COVID, the whole lockdown, washing your hands, constantly washing your hands, my hands have become so dry. I did actually try a few of these when I had a little spa day last week, and I must say this really nourished my hands. You know, it contains coconut oil. It also contains vitamin E, so very, very good for the skin. So I'm going to put all of these in actually. Yeah, why not put all of them in? Then I'm going to put in the hand cream as well. It all looks very beautiful, I must say. If I can just show you like so already. It looks so lovely. Okay, so I've got a couple of other bits. I've got these false nails by Firm McCann. These are absolutely amazing, guys. It's the silver glittery one. These are my go-to. And the eyelashes as well. I'm not very good at putting eyelashes on, but I've seen reviews on these eyelashes and they are quite amazing. So I'm gonna put those in a organza bag that I've picked up in Poundland. I don't know if they still sell them, but you can get these like organza bags in Poundland also. So I've got that, and then I'm also going to put in some other goodies. The Maxim More baked eyeshadow, so that's going to go in there as well. And then I'm going to put in one of their number 4 lipsticks. That's also one of my go-tos. And then just tie it all up like so. This looks like it can be a gift set just on its own, but I'm going to pack it in with this one. I'm going to pull it in there like so. And then what I'm going to do, continue with the bow theme going on, I'm actually going to jazz this one up as well with the black bow. Let's see how it's going to look. Okay, so I have got some more of the black bows, and I'm just thinking, gosh, it looks so good. It looks so good, so I'm going to go with that. So again, I'm just going to put some of the black ribbon around the top of the bottle, like so, similar to what I've done with the bath salt. Okay, so then I'm just going to pop the bow on there, and I'm so glad I kept the bows from some of the candles that I've already used around the house. Okay, and there you have it. That's all been sort of jazzed up, you know, so that looks really lovely in there. And there we have my second spa gift set. So this one is packed with so much goodness. You've got the candle, you've got the champagne bubble bath, you've also got a bath bomb. You've got a whole package there full of beauty items. So you've got makeup, you've got nails, you've got eyelashes, you've got lipstick, and then you've got a whole box full of words. You've got a whole box full of goodness in there. Absolutely amazing. And all of these items are from Poundland, guys. All of them are from Poundland. Except this box, everything else is from Poundland. Okay, so that's really it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you like this video, and I really hope you like this collaboration with my gorgeous friend Nicola. My gorgeous friend Nicola, the NickiTouch. So please pop over to Nicola's channel, the NickiTouch, to see what she's got to show you from Poundland. And I haven't seen hers, she hasn't seen mine. So this is just like something that we've decided to do together, and I really hope you guys like it. I absolutely think that they're brilliant, and I would love to receive such a gift with all of these goodies. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the notification bell to be notified of when I post my next video. And please don't forget to go over to Nikki's channel, the NickiTouch. See what items she's put together for her spa basket or spa gift set. And we've probably got some duplicate items because we've both got the same sort of taste and we both love Poundland. So thanks again, guys, for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.